Do you want to know the easiest and fastest way to make thousands upon thousands of dollars online? Well, if you haven't guessed it already, it's by having your own sales funnel. Having a product that you can call your own that you can sell and keep 100% of the money. Now, I want to show you some proof right now from my last sales funnel. Now, as you can see, the results I got from just one sales funnel was well over $3,000, right? Now, to be honest with you, creating your own digital products from scratch kinda sucks. It takes me weeks, sometimes even months, and it costs me thousands upon thousands of dollars to create these funnels. Now, what I'm offering you right now is the ability to just steal my digital sales funnel and use it as if it's your own and keep 100% of the money. That means that any money that is generated from this sales funnel goes directly into your bank account and not mine. Now, if you pick up the license rights on this page right now, you're going to get the right to use my sales funnel as your own for just $97. So I guess my question is, if you could take $97 and turn it into thousands upon thousands of dollars, as you've seen in my earnings screenshot, don't you think that would be a wise investment on your part? Of course it would. You see, by having your very own product to sell, you can turn prospects into buyers on autopilot 24/7. When using high-converting sales pages like this one that's been tried and tested to work every time, it makes your online marketing way more profitable. This funnel is already done for you. All you have to do is send people to this page and bingo, no testing, tweaking, or painful trial and error. My entire high-converting funnel is ready for you to start using it like it was your own. And setup is a breeze, and you can be in business today. There's no technical or other experience required to get this set up. I always want my customers to take the shortest route to profits. So do yourself a favor and take me up on this license rights special before I take it down. So as of right now today, it's still available. It's your choice. Take the easy way out and get started now.